Giethoorn is a picturesque village located in the province of Overijssel in the Netherlands. Known for its stunning network of canals, it has earned the nickname Venice of the North. The village is a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. With its charming thatched roof houses and tranquil waterways, Giethoorn offers a unique and peaceful experience. Canals are everywhere in Giethoorn, creating a labyrinth of waterways that weave through the village. These canals are the primary mode of transportation for both locals and visitors. Interestingly, there are no cars in the village center. The absence of motor vehicles adds to the village's charm and tranquility, making it a perfect place for a leisurely stroll. People use boats to get around, navigating the canals in traditional whisper boats, which are electric and silent, preserving the peaceful atmosphere. You can also walk or bike on the many scenic paths that run alongside the canals. These paths offer stunning views and a chance to explore the village at a leisurely pace. Giethoorn is a peaceful place, where the gentle lapping of water and the rustling of leaves are the only sounds you'll hear. It's an ideal destination for those looking to unwind and reconnect with nature. It is perfect for a relaxing vacation. Whether you're boating, walking, or simply sitting by the water, the serene environment of Giethoorn will rejuvenate your spirit. Many visitors come to Giethoorn to experience its unique charm. The village attracts tourists from all over the world, eager to capture its beauty and tranquility. They enjoy the quiet and the beauty, taking in the picturesque views and the slow pace of life that Giethoorn offers. You can visit for a day or stay longer. There are plenty of accommodations available, from charming bed and breakfast to cozy hotels. There are hotels and restaurants in the village offering delicious local cuisine and comfortable places to rest after a day of exploring. Giethoorn is a special place where time seems to slow down, and every moment is an opportunity to appreciate the beauty of nature and the simplicity of life. It is a unique part of Europe, offering a glimpse into a way of life that is both timeless and enchanting. Giethoorn truly is the Venice of the North. Giethoorn is a very old village. It started in the 14th century. People came to Giethoorn to dig peat. Peat was used for fuel. The people dug canals to transport the peat. The canals became an important part of the village. Giethoorn is named after goat horns. Many goat horns were found in the area. The horns were from goats that drowned in a flood. The canals are like streets in Giethoorn. This picturesque village in the Netherlands is often referred to as the Venice of the North because of its extensive network of waterways. Instead of cars, boats are the primary mode of transportation here. People use boats to get around. Whether it's for daily commutes, leisure, or transporting goods, boats are an integral part of life in Giethoorn. The canals are bustling with activity, especially during the tourist season. There are many different types of boats. Whisper boats are popular. These boats are named for their quiet electric motors, which allow for a peaceful journey through the serene canals. They are electric and very quiet. This makes them an eco-friendly option, preserving the tranquility of the village and minimizing pollution. Whisper boats are perfect for those who want to enjoy the natural beauty of Giethoorn without disturbing the environment. You can rent a whisper boat and explore the canals on your own. Renting a boat gives you the freedom to navigate the waterways at your own pace, discovering hidden corners and picturesque spots that are off the beaten path. You can also take a guided boat tour. These tours are led by knowledgeable guides who share fascinating stories and historical facts about Giethoorn, enriching your experience with their insights. The guide will tell you about the history of Giethoorn. Larger boats offer cruises. These cruises are ideal for groups and provide a comfortable way to see the village from the water. These cruises are a fun way to see the village. They often include refreshments, and can be a relaxing way to spend an afternoon, taking in the charming scenery and unique architecture of Giethoorn. Section 4. Quiet Paths. Giethoorn is a car-free village. You can walk or bike everywhere. This makes Giethoorn peaceful and quiet. There are many paths to explore. The Binnenpad, Langestieg, and Zuiderpad are some popular paths. You can enjoy the beauty of the village on these paths. You will see charming houses and bridges. Section 5. Boats and Bikes. There are many things to do in Giethoorn, a picturesque village in the Netherlands known for its serene canals and charming pathways. Whether you're an adventure seeker or someone who loves to relax, Giethoorn has something for everyone. Boating is the most popular activity here. The village is often referred to as the Venice of the North because of its extensive network of canals. You can rent a boat for an hour or a day. There are various types of boats available, from traditional whisper boats to more modern electric ones. Explore the canals at your own pace, taking in the beautiful thatched roof houses and lush greenery that line the waterways. There are restaurants and cafes along the canals where you can stop for a meal or a refreshing drink. Many of these establishments offer outdoor seating with stunning views of the water. Stop for lunch or a drink and enjoy the local cuisine, which often features fresh, locally sourced ingredients. You can also go cycling in Giethoorn. The village and its surroundings are crisscrossed with scenic bike paths that offer a different perspective of this enchanting place. Rent a bike and explore the paths that wind through the village and beyond. It's a great way to see more of the area and get some exercise at the same time. Visit the nearby Weerribben National Park, a vast natural reserve that's perfect for both boating and cycling. The park is home to a variety of wildlife and offers numerous trails and waterways to explore. Giethoorn is a great place to relax and enjoy nature. Whether you're gliding along the canals in a boat or cycling through the scenic paths, you'll find plenty of opportunities to unwind and take in the natural beauty of this unique village.